So good morning traders. Today is the 3rd January and I take two trades and we discuss what are the reason of buying that trades. So both trades I took in Nifty. On first candle I here sell when it's a breakdown this monthly pivot and this yellow color zone which we have already marked resistance, and when it's breakdown I have like view that it is going further below. The problem is that we have here white CPR. So maybe the sideways market already we have a trending mode last day, and today is a Friday new expiry day. So that's our view. So we are targeting very small quantity, trading small quantity and planning for small point. Okay. So we have breakdown and then again one bounce, and then this moving average push to go down. So we have booked almost 30 point something here. We will check later just in few minutes. And when it takes this around come to this weekly pivot, my planning is this is weekly pivot is first target, CPR is second target, and this round number is third target. So at first I realized that here it is a 20-day moving average and it is about to test, and we have a good swing last year. So maybe from here one bullish move after one pullback. So buyers come here to take market over. Now at this same time, just 1 minute. You can see in Bank Nifty, it's also test this 20-day moving average already, and we have here one mark level. So maybe it is bounced from here as like M pattern. All moving average is supporting. So both thing anything can happen here. Now this rising channel maybe breakdown. We have this rising channel. So it's a form M pattern and breakdown and this pullback and the previous swing तक का sell side में we get target, or maybe here when this 20-day moving approaching him, so it goes like up. So whoever left last day to buy will participate today. So I thought that here maybe hold or market, or maybe get reversal. So there I booked a profit. Just a minute, I made mistake. Okay, no problem. So this is my premium chart. Okay, I got 40 point in my selling side. So here I guess I booked for 30 point. I sell at 210. So very less point I kept. I guess 25 point only I capture in a sell side. My view is 40 point minimum, 30 to 40 point, but I book early. And in second trade 2 to 3. So almost 2 3, not much point. Almost 23, 13, 15 point something. Okay. So again it's scalp just when this 20-day moving average it is in Nifty. So I exit. Let's see, like see, this is about to heading to second target. So these are my trade for today. I am not targeting or planning to big profit because my most of losses start doing matlab start occurring on Friday, because we have previously weekly expiry on Thursday both Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I start position, then I average out and do so many mistakes, and I made a big loss on Thursday. So Friday I generally start trading small quantities, looking for a small profit and giving about a small loss. So that's it for today. And okay. So this is my profit. First trade in put side, second trade in the long side. 916 पे first buy, average out, sell, buy and sell. So thank you for today. I used 56 का capital. So see you tomorrow. मतलब Monday.